Hi, this is Sam Bird with Technical Glass Products here in Bellevue, Washington, checking out the 929 office building project.
For this project, TGP was pleased to supply the SG curtain wall series frames with Pilkington Pyrostop glass on the exterior ground floor to provide a 1-hour fire barrier required due to the close proximity to the neighboring buildings. In order to deliver clean sightlines of non-captured silicone glazing, the SG curtain wall system was installed to maintain a seamless appearance between the fire-rated and non-rated glazing on the project. Since the SG curtain wall assembly is silicone sealed and does not require pressure plates or caps, the system offers a smooth, frame-free exterior surface to meet the architect's design intent for this highly trafficked and highly visible project in Bellevue's downtown business district.
This is Sam Bird with Technical Glass Products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.